Hi, welcome to my new video. In today's video, we are creating 360-degree virtual spaces with text. Now let me give you some examples what we are creating today. For virtual space, we need text prompts. For text prompts, we are going to use ChatGPT. I'm using three different ideas of virtual space and ask ChatGPT to generate three text prompts for 360-degree virtual space, one for multiverse, gaming, and last one for nature. ChatGPT can give you long paragraphs, so do not copy the whole paragraph, just 2 to 3 lines would be enough. The first idea we are gonna try is multiverse. So copy the prompt. After that, search blockadelabs.com on your browser. On the home page of blockadelabs.com, you can see many examples the website has created. To use virtual space, select this option right here. It will take you to the editing page where we can generate 3D virtual spaces. So this is the home page of Blockade Labs. To generate 3D virtual spaces, put your text prompts into Dream of Your World section. After that, we have to select the style of the virtual space. I'm going to use Dreamlike for multiverse space. We will use different styles, but for multiverse designs, I like Dreamlike and advanced no style format. After that, hit on generate button and it will take some time to load your 3D world space. As you can see, it has generated the multiverse 3D virtual space. Tap on the UI button, it will hide the text on your screen. Now I'm generating in advanced style. You can choose whatever you like. The advanced style is much better than dreamlike one. You can use this one also. Now we will try gaming virtual space. Now I'm gonna paste gaming prompt and the process is same as well. For gaming virtual space, I'm using sci-fi style. The sci-fi is good for gaming virtual space. This is the view for gaming virtual space. As you can see, it is a complete gaming room. Now we will move to our third virtual space, which is based on nature. So I'm gonna paste the nature prompt and select the style to advanced. So the nature virtual space is generated. I think this is the best one so far. This is for today's video. Thank you for watching my video and please subscribe to my channel.